Like, bro, no tenderness whatsoever. You can't even rip it apart. We got the fried chicken, oxtail on white rice. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Macaroni back again with another video. And today, we out here. I'm about to pull up to a place called Top Chef. I've been seeing it on Instagram and a couple of influencers talking about it. Apparently, it's supposed to be some good food. So, I'm gonna pull up over there and I'm gonna let you guys know what this place is talking about. We're here. All right, we're at the spot. Ooh, it's mad cold out here. So they got a 1-2 people up in this store. All right, so we got the food. It came to $36. I grabbed the fried chicken with pasta, a piece of jerk chicken, a piece of barber fried, and some oxtail and white rice. I'm gonna head to the car. I'm gonna let you guys know what this food is talking about. All right, it took them like a good, I'd say like 20 minutes for them to serve the food, but that's a good thing because they were taking the food out fresh. So fresh out the fryer, fresh out the pot. So I'm not mad about that. So let's take a look and see what we got going on over here. Ooh. What is this? This is, hold up, this can't be the barber fried chicken. All right, I was supposed to get an extra piece of jerk and an extra piece of barber fried on the side, separate from what else I got. But it looks like they messed it up and gave me a separate piece of fried after I already ordered fried, man. Why these restaurants always gotta be fucking food up? Looks like, yeah, this is the barber fried chicken. This is what the barber fried chicken is looking like. Not gonna lie, it's fresh. It's fresh, it's warm. It smells good. It's actually a piece of breast, it's not a leg or a thigh. The chicken is kind of on the drier side. I don't really taste too much like seasoning on the chicken. The barbecue, I don't really taste the barbecue like that, even though you can see it's clearly like has that red tint to it. The barber fried chicken, it's mid. To be honest, it's way too dry. Way too dry. No moisture to it. The flavor is not really all there. I'll give it the flavor. Flavor-wise, I'll give it like a... Overall, actually, this chicken right here, I'll give it like a, maybe like a 6 out of 10. It's average. It's what you get at any typical Jamaican restaurant. Nothing special, if you want me to be honest. All right, let me move on to... Let me see. This was supposed to be the jerk chicken, but look what they gave me. Look what they gave me, a big piece of fried chicken breast. Not gonna lie, I'm bent. I came there for the jerk chicken. Let me see what this is sitting on. Okay. This is actually not bad. The fried chicken, not bad. Not bad. Hold up, give me a second, guys. Let's see what I got going on over here. Okay, yes. This is what I ordered. We got the fried chicken on top of macaroni. Something that I like to order from these Jamaican restaurants. All right, I'm gonna show you guys a better look. Let me give you guys a better look at the macaroni. See, can you see the macaroni, guys? Fried chicken. Alrighty. Wow. I'm actually surprised. For a Caribbean restaurant, I'm not gonna lie, the macaroni is on point. Usually these Caribbean restaurants, we're not known for macaroni, to be honest. You know what I mean? Usually it's like mid. But this here, this is popping still, I'm not even gonna lie. Fresh too. Got a nice little warmth to it. The taste, it's loaded with flavor, I'm not gonna lie. Has a little bit of a savoriness to it. Nice butteriness to it, a little butteriness. Yep. This is definitely a solid macaroni. I give the macaroni like a 8.8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. I fuck with it still. Like I said, usually when it comes to Jamaican restaurants, we're not known for our macaroni. I say that the average Jamaican restaurant or Caribbean restaurant in general, when it comes to macaroni, like it'll be like maybe like a 4 or 5 out of 10. But this place here, they know what they're doing with their macaroni still. I'll give them the flowers for that. The fried chicken. Y'all see the fried chicken? Let me show you guys another piece. Y'all see the fried chicken? All right, let me take a bite. It's got a little bit of a crunch to it. Tastes like it's fresh out of the fry. It's like very, very hot. Not bad. The fried chicken, to be honest, it's lacking a little, it's lacking flavor. It's lacking flavor. I could taste the salt in it, but like I feel like they missed out on a couple of seasonings and a couple of herbs. So you're not really getting that much of a punch from the fried chicken. I mean, it's crispy. Not super crispy. It is crispy. Let me take another bite. You guys hear that? Hold up. Okay. So the thigh definitely had a little bit more flavor to it under that skin. It's not bad. Like I said, it's not bad. Yeah, the thigh definitely had a little bit more flavor compared to the leg. Would I rate the fried chicken out of 10? The fried chicken, I'm gonna have to give the fried chicken like a 8 out of 10. It's a solid fried chicken. Can't go wrong with it. What is missing? Maybe just a little bit more seasoning. Just a little bit more seasoning. The sauce is there, but you need just a little bit more seasoning. Y'all should try this combo actually. It's pretty fire. Fried chicken with pasta. And something else I do sometimes is ask them to put like some curry sauce on the pasta. Ooh. I tasted the food to our next level, guys. Y'all need to try it out. So far, so good, guys. All right. Now, what else do we got in here? We got the... Okay. So I ordered a side of oxtail on white rice. Bam. Take a look at the oxtail, guys. Y'all see that? Give you guys a better look. Boom. Oxtail on white rice. A little bit of coleslaw on the side, as you can see. Whew. I heard that two people on the internet say that the oxtail wasn't really popping like that. Some people are trying to say that like they didn't cook it long enough, so it's a little bit like on the chewy side. But this is what I'm here for, guys. I'm here to try this out. I'm gonna tell you guys what it really looks like, how it really tastes like. So, all right. Okay, I can see the peas. They got those peas in there. So it's okay. This must taste good. When you see this, this is a good sign. Okay. The oxtail. Take a bite. Hopefully it's just this piece. Hopefully it's just this piece, but I'm not gonna lie to you. Oxtail's kind of chewy. Take another bite, guys. Hold up. Maybe I just grabbed the wrong piece. Maybe I just grabbed that one piece in the pot that didn't get cooked like the other pieces. All right. I'm diving for another piece. Y'all see that? Nah, hold up. I need one more piece. One more piece to let you guys know what's going on with this oxtail. I'm gonna give them the benefit of the doubt. Oh. All right, guys. The oxtail, I'm not gonna lie. It looks like the critics are right. The oxtail is not it, to be honest. First off, as you can see, the oxtail is not tender. It's not no fall off the bone oxtail. None of that. This oxtail right here, chewy. Let me try another bite. Oh, fuck no. Nope. Did you guys hear that? It felt like I was biting into a bone. Woo. Damn. Oh, God, I almost just threw up. Bro, this piece of oxtail right here. Let me show you guys this. This shit. You see this piece of oxtail? Look at this. Look at this. This shit, it's like, bro, no tenderness whatsoever. You can't even rip it apart. You can't even chew into it. This shit's like fucking gamey as fuck. Chewy as fuck. This shit, bro. Oxtail is something you don't just put oxtail in the pot like the rest of the beef that people buy and just like put it in there for whatever, 30 minutes, an hour and it's cooked. Bro, you need to fucking put that shit in the pot and let that shit sit for a couple hours, fam. Until that shit becomes some shit that just falls off the bone. This here, fam, it's like a white man cooked this shit. I'm not even gonna lie. There's no fucking way a Jamaican put this in the pot, cooked this, took it out of the pot, and said, yeah, this is oxtail. Bro, look at this shit. You can't even fucking, bro. I didn't want to put it back in my mouth. I'm gonna throw up. Fuck no. Fuck no. This shit is fucking a waste of money. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Let me try another piece. Hold up. This one's all bone. Fuck no. Okay, I found one piece. One piece that had at least some kind of tenderness to it, but it's still not it. Nope. Definitely not fucking with this pot. Nope. Nah. No, thank you. Let me try the rice, though. The white rice is all right. Try the coleslaw. The coleslaw is decent. I'll give me a 5 for the coleslaw. The coleslaw is decent. Coleslaw gets a good solid 8 out of 10. The rice, I mean, it's rice. What can I really say? There's not much to it. It's good rice. That's all I can say about that. The oxtail, brother. The fucking oxtail. No go. No go. Not only is it chewy as fuck, it doesn't have that real oxtail Caribbean like seasoning to it. It's giving more of like a goat, as if like they tried to like use goat seasoning on oxtail, which those two things, they don't go together. Nah, this plate here, this is not it, man. I'm actually just I'm dropping oxtail. I don't even give a fuck because it's so fucking shit. You can't even eat it. But yeah, I'm disappointed in this oxtail, man. I'm actually fucking. Oxtail is not cheap. Oxtail is not cheap. So when you cook your oxtail, you better cook it properly, brother. We ain't trying to pay that much for fucking gamey ass meat, brother. Like, what are we doing here, bro? What are we doing? Oxtail, 0 out of 10. Oxtail gets a 0 out of 10. I'm sorry, oxtail gets a 0. This shit is trash, man. I would never go back for this fucking oxtail. Look at this shit. Look at this fucking shit. Look at this. Look at this ox, bro. This shit is fucking chewy as fuck. Nah, never. I would never go back for this garbage. Fuck no. Fuck what? Fuck. Look. It won't even come off the bone. Look. It won't even. I'm done. I'm done. I'm fucking done here, brother. I'm actually fucking done. What I give this restaurant overall, fuck. That just pissed me off. I'm not even gonna lie. They fucked up my jerk chicken order and gave me fried chicken into the jerk chicken. And the oxtail is fucking chewy as fuck. Why would you? Top Chef, y'all need to fix up. At least the location I went to at Weston and Jane. What I give you guys overall, man, you guys get like a 6 out of 10. You guys are not. Nah, you guys get a 6 out of 10. Your jerk chicken, I didn't even get to taste because y'all fucked up my order. The fried chicken was alright. The barbecue chicken needs more flavor. It's like lacking on flavor. The pasta was I'm not gonna lie, the pasta was the best thing that you guys gave me today. The pasta, I fuck with the pasta. I'll give you flowers for that. But the oxtail, that was disrespect. That's disrespectful, bro. That is disrespectful, bro. I'm done. I'm fucking done. Anyhow, make sure y'all guys hit the like button, share the video, leave a comment in the comment section. Bro, I should go give that food back. Bro, this shit actually pissed me the fuck off, bro. Like, what the fuck?